Is a stunning day on the courtyard. I'm really hoping that Aaron takes advantage. Things are popping. Check out this little array here. A little Diplodenia down there. Beautiful oriental lily. The iris chose today to come out, all of them. So this is the day to be here. It's spectacular. These iris popping over here too. And finally getting this corner in shape. It's not there yet, but it's way better than it was with all the nursery sort of potting going on. That's that curcuma. That's a spectacular plant that'll come up and bloom so beautifully. And this is one of our daturas right here. And the story is that as fast as they were putting out leaves, the aphids were devouring them. And so I tried lavender, but lavender, it turns out, attracts aphids, so that didn't work. And I read up on it, and rosemary, in fact, is what chases them away, and I put it there, and it has. So the aphids are gone, and I expect that datura is going to really blow up and do great things. We got a nice little clematis vine coming up that pipe. Ooh, look at the view here, man. So on this side, we've got all sorts of great stuff. The stand of bordelons is spectacular. We've got lavenders, which are beautiful and chase away leaf eaters. That caladium comes up every year. It's a purple liriope. It's a gorgeous colored calla down there, a little one. Again, more lavenders. Protecting the bougainvillea, flanking it. And here, this is dianthus, this compact mounded dianthus, which I found, which I think gives a beautiful finish to that vine potting right there. Moving back, we have more shell gingers coming out. Check out the clivia, which I've placed all around now and put in good pots. I expect that one to do beautifully there. And I read up on them, and clivia that are this young apparently can wait until later in the season and bloom. So I'm hoping that we'll actually get these to bloom this summer. There's another one right there. There's a calla, beautiful pink calla lily. And that is another amaryllis coming up. Got some wandering Jew, so we're back in business there. And got a couple of nice fresh Diplodenias in bowls on the tables. Wandering Jew. There's one of our clivia down there. Some Persian shield. Another clivia that I'm going to sink in the pot. Another spectacular Iris Regina bloom. Diplodenia. And check out things behind the pool. So the borderlands are coming up, and there are a bunch of little ones popping up. So we're going to have a nice full borderland banana cover back there. But we also now have two more giant purple iris that are in pots, flanking that variegated shell ginger, and one of the daturas. So, see if I can zoom in over there. That's another of our daturas in a pot that I expect to do quite well in that location. And moving on, we've got, see if I can bring up the light back there. Hello. Persian shields. I found some Persian shields to make a nice new mane for that lionfish. And beautiful white bougainvillea perched up there. That yellow hibiscus will be blooming again shortly. Again, Iris Regina against the oil jar, looking great. Those petunias I just picked up for a different spot, and they're actually the wrong color here. That's too much purple, but I'll fix that. And this is the third of our daturas right here in a pot that's got plenty of good soil and irrigation and sun. The hibiscus looking spectacular, and they are blooming. There are buds all over this one. Some nice Persian shield in the back. It is a glorious day to be on the courtyard.